It took us to get here.
At the light, use the left lane to make a U-turn at West 98th Street. Make a U-turn, then take the first right.
Go. Okay.
You've entered the parking lot for your destination.
So now, speed limit 50. Second, because I didn't see Elmo. Well, that's what is so confusing. There's 3 different spots that, like when you Google it, where to deliver the car, there's 3 different places. There's a Century Ave one, there was something else, and then there was this. Thank you. Alamo. Freezing us? Okay. Thank you. Are they waving me to? Where are they waving me to? I don't know. To stay here. Oh. Okay. I think we can unplug all of this.
I took all my cash.
Good morning, not too bad. How you doing? Good. Yeah, good.
Pretty good.
Okay, beautiful. Okay.
I will miss this rental car. I know. Don't worry. We'll see it soon. We'll see it if it comes to pass our house one time. We might see a car that might pass our house one time.
Okay.
'Cause we can see these cars often. Please make sure you didn't forget anything. Make sure you check your belongings. Make sure someone clean the seat. Keys in the car. Make sure you didn't give her anything. Alright, make sure you did. Yeah, alright, good to go. So I guess we can go. Alright? Just leave the car, and we're ready to go. And we'll leave the car here.
You got everything left?
Yeah.
Okay.
Get your suitcase, because we're about to head home now. This is the last part of this video. Now let's head into the airport and fly back home. All right? No.
I know.
Now let's head home. Let's go. Home. We're home safely. We're home. We're in Syracuse. We're home. We're home. We're finally at home for them. We are home. And we checked. It's midnight, and we have to get home and get ready to go to sleep because we had a lot of delays. So we got home pretty late. So we're just gonna head home and just go right to sleep. We're just gonna chill tomorrow. Tomorrow, we're not gonna do anything tomorrow. We're just gonna relax for the whole day. We're not gonna do anything tomorrow, so just gonna relax. I'll post a little music. I'll create a song or something. I'll create some music that I've never created before. I'm just gonna create my own chill music. Peaceful, sentimental, uplift music. Yeah, it's gonna be very, very calm. It's gonna be really, really, really chill. All day tomorrow. So tomorrow. I remember Las Vegas. Yeah, I deleted all the videos. I deleted all those. I didn't want to copyright too much, so I deleted those Las Vegas videos on YouTube. Back. Yeah. No point of having copyright anymore, so. Aria. Yep, let's go forward. Yep, don't stop. We are home safely. Wait. What? You were with us the whole time.
Yeah, I know.
Oh my!
I followed you.
You followed us? Really?
Bring him home.
Really?
Oh my! You didn't tell me that part.
Wow. Like we saw you earlier ago. We saw you earlier.
That's right.
Yeah.
Yeah, I need to do one more.
Two-piece. Yeah. What if it falls?
Well, I don't catch it. Here, hold on your phone. I got it.
Make sure you watch all of them to the end. Alright? Make sure you watch all the videos. Alright? You will see Look, I have to do something. Suitcase. Bonus video you want to see? Oh, secret video you want to see? Alright, looks like we're about to go outside. I want to go outside. Hold on. Stay right here. No one's going to see this, okay? It's going to get very boring. Yeah. Amazing 2 weeks. Can't wait to get home and relax and get all my stuff so we can play video games when I get home. I'm going to try to play whatever I want when I get home. What? Oh no. The last one, when we were leaving California, was when we were leaving California. He almost fell. Yeah. There. Outside.
You were in.
It is midnight. It is late. And all the stores are closed. Walmart and Target, Wegmans. We're not going to any store. Oh, we're on the other side.
I know, that's where we want to be.
Let's go see real quick. god, I'm ready to go. Time to go home. Ah! Can't even squeeze in. Ah, there's something in the way. Look at this. No, it's. Right here? Right here.
Oh, I don't know. I feel like I don't know how to drive it. I just spent the last 2 weeks driving 3,000 miles. That must be what happens when you get old. That's what happens. This is what happens.
What?
Why we say old people don't know how to drive. Because they don't. Something happens. Oh, dude, what is going on here?
That's a big. There's Tim Hortons here.
Yeah, Tim Hortons is in the Delta Sun. The only Tim Hortons we have is Delta.
Well, what do we think of this trip?
Amazing.
Probably the best trip we've ever taken. I mean, not that there was anything wrong, and not that I would have done anything different. Just, okay, I've done that. It was a lot of work. That was a lot of work. And I won't add up all the costs. Price tag. But that's okay. Especially if you're buying lightning lane passes on top of lightning lane passes. To save an hour. But we got to do what we wanted to do, so. Would have been nice to have gone to Haunted Mansion one more time.
We could have done that, Bobby.
No. Alright, dude, what are you doing? Your actions. Now the only thing I think I'm a little worried about is getting camera tickets or anything. Right, I'm gonna get a, in a month from now, we're gonna get a ticket from Alamo saying, hey, you got this ticket from this camera running a red light or something stupid.
Roll credits.
That's the
Woo.
only thing I'm worried about. light didn't turn on or off.
Okay.
Or at least I don't think so. Any day.
Lovely timed light.
And that's why Hiawatha gets so backed up. Is they will sit there and they'll trip at the first car,
Right.
and then they will sit a full cycle for one car or 10 cars. It doesn't matter. That's like, don't trip it at the first car. Yeah, I don't see any detour signs. I think I can go. I knew they were getting close. Now I don't have to do. See, like, why the bullshit? Oh my.
What the heck is this?
Like, you flipped the light. There was no reason for that light to even flip.
No.
And yet it does anyway. And then I can't see the freaking nightmare bump that was right there. Oh, at least thank God I don't have to go down Hiawatha anymore. Oh, I'm done with that. That is a nice road. Jeez, I've never here. Yeah, I don't know. Wow. Hopefully there's something left that will munch on. 'Cause that was my hope, is we got home at like, 7 o'clock. Went home.
I don't think they're open right now. What? Late, yeah, they're open until like 2. Taco Bell's open around 1 a.m. still. And they don't close until 2 o'clock. They're still open until 2 a.m. Go to Taco Bell. Who would go to Walmart at 2 o'clock in the morning? Don't go to Walmart that late. Walmart is closed at that time.
I actually got, when I walked in there, realized how small this place was. I was like, oh crap, they didn't even have groceries. Okay, so I was like, I was trying to find stuff. Just debate what to get, whatever everyone told
Okay, we're home. We're home. We're home. Okay, hey, we're home. Wait. We'll do another vacation next year. We'll do another one next year if we want to. We might not do another flight next year. We might do something else, like a little road trip next year. We might do like road trips next year for next vacation. We might do like a little short trips next year, like road trips or something next year. We might do like a three-day trip next year. The end. Nintendo.